and welcome. Today I want to share with you a problem that I ran into with my windows and then how I fixed them, just in case you encounter this problem as well. So the problem that I found was that even though the window appeared to be closed and locked, I could still just pull it open. So I did some investigating here, and what I discovered was that the window wasn't all the way closed when the lock was flipped. So the way that these locks work on mine is when you close the lock, there's a little tab on the back that pops out, and that tab is supposed to fit in this channel that's right in the middle. But if the window isn't closed all the way when you do that, then the tab runs into the frame of the window. And if you force it down, what it does is it pushes the frame of the window out. So this panel actually bows. And that's what mine looked like. And mine's been that way for who knows how long, until I just found it. And what that caused was then I was no longer able to close the window all the way. And I couldn't figure out why I couldn't get it closed. It didn't appear to be running into anything. So what I did was I took the frame out, this window here, and I discovered that on the back side of it, it has a channel. There's a channel on both sides, on both panes, that when they close, they lock together like this. It's a lot like, it's just like your exterior doors do. So if your window's bowed, that channel isn't straight and it won't fit nicely inside each other. It's going to run into each other, and that's what's going to keep it from closing. So it's a very, very simple fix. And in order to do it, you just need to take the window out. And to do that, you put it all the way open. It only works when it's in the all the way open state. And then you can just grab the window, you can pick it up, and you can pop out the bottom. And once you've got it out, you can see those channels that are on the back. And you'll see that the point where they're running into each other, they might be bent a little bit. So what I did was I just took a pair of needle nose pliers, and I was able to straighten those back out the way they're supposed to be. And then I put the window back in, and if you're still not able to close it, what you do is you go to the outside of the window and you push right in the middle on the outside pane, because it's bowed. You just want to push on the outside, get it straight, and your window will slide right closed. So that's what I did. And then after letting the window sit for a couple days, the pane straightened itself out, and it opens and closes just fine now again. So that's how you fix it. So if you enjoyed this video or you learned anything, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That would help me out greatly. Thank you so much.